subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under Y series in China called Vivo Y55s. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y55s supports a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a large 90.62% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. And as per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be expanded up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y55s features a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. And on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Origin OS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes 5-layer liquid cooling system and Gamebox stand feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.87 by 75.33 by 9.17mm, and it weighs around 199.8 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y55s has been priced in China at 1,699 Chinese yuan, and it will be available for purchase in the country in Mirror Lake Blue, Sakura Pink, and Ceramic Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y55s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.